Good day, everyone. Our lesson for today is all about laws of logarithm, and these are the laws of logarithm. There are three laws in logarithm. First, let us consider the conditions. Let b greater than 0 and b not equal to 1, and let this n be any real number. And for u greater than 0 and b greater than 0, then the following holds. First, we have the logarithm of product. The log of u times v base b is just equal to the log of u base b plus the log of v base b. Say, for example, we have log of 3x base 2. This can be written as log of 3 base 2 plus log of x base 2. For the second law of logarithm, the log of quotient, log of u over v base b can be written as log of u base b minus the log of v base b. So it's very important to remember that if your expression is coming from the numerator, then you will have a positive sign here. And if it is coming from the denominator, then it will be a negative. So say, for example, for the number 1, we have u and v both in the numerator, so all of them should possess a positive sign. So let us have an example for the number 2, the logarithm of 4 over 5 base 3. So it can be written as, since it is from the numerator, log of positive log of 4 base 3. This is from the denominator, so it should be negative log of b5 base 3. And for the third law of logarithm is the law of power under logarithm. So log of u to the power of n base b. This power n can be written beside this logarithm. So n times the log of u base b. So those are the important laws that we need to remember in the logarithm. Let's have examples. First example that we have is we will be provided with the, the compact form, then we will be expanding it. So the instruction is use the properties of the logarithms to expand the expression as of or as a sum, difference, or a multiple of logarithms. Let us have first the number 1. In the number 1, we have log of x to the power of 4 times the cube root of y base b. So we need to expand it. First, it is obvious that they are in product, so it can be written as log of x to the power of 4 base b plus the log of the cube root of y base b. So as we can see, we have exponents here. By the way, this cube root can be written as y to the power of 1/3. So simply write this as y to the power of 1/3 base b. So the next thing is we have the exponent here, so it can be written beside it as well as this 1/3. So you will have 4 log of x base b plus 1/3 log of y base b. Just simple as that. Actually, we can give the answer directly by just looking to the given. If you really know the laws of logarithm, you just have to look at the exponent. If there is an exponent, you write it directly here, and whatever is the number here, log of x base b. As simple as that. And here, since it is product, so it will be plus both in the numerator, so it is positive, both positive. It can be written as exponent, so you have there the 1/3, and you have log of y base b. Okay, let's proceed to the next one. For the number 2, you have their log of a to the power of 4, b to the power of 5 base 10, because nothing is written. So it is obvious that it is coming from the numerator and it has an exponent, so it will be 4 log of a. From the denominator, you have the exponent 5, so you have 5 log of b. Very simple. For the third one, you have there logarithm of x to the power of 1/2 times y to the power of 1/3 base 10 again. So again, they are both in the numerator, so they must possess positive sign. It has an exponent of 1/2, so you will have write first 1/2 log of x. Both still in the numerator, so you have plus, you have 1/3 there, so you write 1/3 log of y. Okay, let's have the next kind of example that we have. It's the other way around. This time, you are given the the expanded form, then you will be rewriting it into compact form into a single logarithm. So first, we have there for the number 4, you have there 1/2 log of a minus 3 log of b. So we know that there is a number beside it, so it can be written as exponent. So it can be log of a to the power of 1/2. By the way, it is understood here that the base is 10. By the way, you can combine them if the base are the same, just like here, 10 and 10. So also here in the other side, this can be written as the exponent in b, so log of b cubed base 10. So they are both in the same base, so you can combine them into a single logarithm. So this is positive, this is negative, so it can be written in the numerator, it can be written in the denominator. So you have a to the power of 1/2 over b cubed, because this is negative, base 10. Okay, number 5. So here the same thing. This one can be an exponent here, so you will have ln of x plus 3 raised to the power of 1/2. The base here is e, plus ln of x plus 2 to the power of 1/3. So they are both into the same base, so you can combine them as single logarithm. By the way, in case their bases are not the same, so you cannot combine them, you cannot compact, you cannot rewrite them compactly into a single logarithm. So they should have the same base before you can combine it, just like here. So it is now equal to ln of, since they are both positive, so the two expressions should be written in the numerator, so it should be x plus 3 to the power of 1/2 times x plus 2 to the power of 1/3 base e, or ln. So then number 6, you have now log. So automatically, you can combine them directly because they have the same base, both positive, so they can be written in numerator, both of them in numerator. So log of x squared times x base 4. So you can simplify it, can be log of x cubed base 4. And that is all for today. Hope you learned something, and see you again for the next video.